Hey there! Is your iPhone's portrait mode missing or not working quite right? No need to stress, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to get that portrait mode back on track. Let's jump right into it and explore the solutions together. Solution 1. Enable lens correction. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you find Camera and tap on it. Now, keep scrolling down a bit and turn on lens correction. Solution 2. Update iOS. Open the Settings app once more. Then scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If you see an available update, go ahead and tap Download and install. After updating, check if portrait mode is back to normal. Solution 3. Clear the camera lens. Grab a soft, lint-free cloth. Simply clean the camera lens to wipe away any dust or smudges. Now, give portrait mode another shot. After that, let's restart the camera app. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap on General. Now scroll down further and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then select Reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. Don't worry, your data won't be lost. Just test portrait mode after this step. Solution 5. Contact Apple support. If none of these solutions work, it might be a hardware issue. In that case, reach out to Apple support or visit your nearest Apple store for further assistance. And there you have it. Those are some quick fixes for getting your iPhone's portrait mode back in action. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. Got any questions or need more help? Just drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.